Hi everybody, this is Douglas. I'm here on Lichess, ready to do another chess puzzle. Alright, so just now his bishop took my knight on a3. Alright, and this looks about the middle game, and there's a lot going on. So I could take either one with my pawn. So I'm looking for the best move. My bishop, not doing much. My queen, I could take that, and then I could take either rook. Obviously, then I'd be losing my queen. And I have my other rook backing me up. And I've got this knight. Doesn't look like it's an option. So let's focus on these pieces over here. And the pawn. Okay, I think I've got it figured out. I think this one's move order is important. So if I take with my queen, because I don't want to take with my bishop, I'd be getting my pawn back. So if I take with my queen here, yep, then his bishop's there. Because if he would have went back with his bishop to c1, I could have taken his rook, and if he would have went to b2, I could have taken his bishop. And that's it. Okay, so move order for that one. All right, next one, we've got hitting my knight there on c4, my queen, backing it up, but I want to, oh, I hate when I do that. Dang it. All right. So if he takes there, then this knight is left hanging. All right. Actually, I've got my bishop backing that one up. So if I take here, I'd be hitting his queen. And he'd take mine, then I'd have to take his. Is it that one? My queen over here. It's not doing anything. Alright, since I already messed this one up, let's go with, if you want to pause the video here, I'm going to try it out. Let's go. And then I have to take, then check again. Oh, okay. Just protecting it? No. Oh, protecting it with the other one, getting it out of the pin. Okay, so those are a couple of ways to get out of those. So it's move order. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to like or subscribe, that'd be great. If not, that's cool. All right, and have a good night, the rest of your day.